On this bonus lesson, I'm going to teach you a very cool tip so you can get a lot of variations of just your illustration. So once you have finished your illustration, a good idea is to unlock the outline. So now you can select everything and select all the shapes that you just made of your elephant and press Ctrl G to group it, or you can go here to Object, Group. And once you have this group, you can move it around and you can see that now everything is on a single layer, and that's okay. I'm going to make this artboard a little bit bigger so it can have more of these faces. So I'm going to go here to my artboard tool or press Shift O on my keyboard and move it a little bit to make it wider. And now I'm going to select this face, and while I am dragging it, I'm going to press Alt to make a copy and Shift to make sure that I am only moving on the same axis. So I'm going to release it, and now I have a copy. Now if I want to make an exact copy with the same distance that these two have, I'm going to press Ctrl D to repeat my last action, and now you see that I now have my 3 elephants. Now I'm going to select this second elephant and go here on the top part of Illustrator and find this little color wheel that is called Recolor Artwork. I'm going to click there, and when you do that, a window like this is going to appear, and here you can see all the colors that are on your illustration. Then you can go here to Edit and see them on the color wheel. And now here's where the fun part comes, because if you select here, you can link the harmony of colors. So now if you move one of these colors here, or if you move them here with the slides, you can change the color of the whole illustration. So for example, if I click here where the oranges are, you can see how with just one click you have a completely different illustration with a different mood. So this is important in case the direction of your artwork doesn't work, or you want to experiment with other colors, or maybe the project you have been working on has a complete different color scheme than what you have been using. So you can easily change those here. So for example, for this one, I'm going to make a red one, and you could also desaturate it a little bit if you think that would work, and then just hit OK. And when you do that, now you see that how you have a whole different illustration with just a few clicks. And you could do the same for the third one. Go here again on the top to Recolor Artwork, select Edit, click here, and now let's go for a purple one. Let's say like you need a purple one that is around this. But if you see this one is not looking that nice, so I can desaturate this a little bit, maybe even go a little lighter if I think that would work. And now I think that this outline is looking like too bright, so I can unlink my harmony and then find that color, which I think is this purple, and maybe just make this one less bright. So now you have a less bright outline, and you can hit OK. And as you can see there, you can also play with individual colors and get whole different variants of your illustration. I hope you have enjoyed this course. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.